Hi, this is John Nossi, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Francisco. Francisco's been with us from April 13th, 2021 up until the present date of review, 29th of June 2021. Let's look at the journey of this trader. It has a daily gain of 0.13%, a monthly gain of 3.84%, and a drawdown of 3.59%. Overall, we can see the journey, and this trader has been successful in hitting 10%. This trader is now managing $30,000 and Francisco's made this achievement with a total of 269 trades. So that's from April 13th, 2021 up until the date of review, 29th of June 2021. So out of all the pairs traded, we've got a win rate of 173 out of 269, which represents 64%. He's lost 96 trades out of 269, which represents 36%. So overall, we have a very high win ratio here. Looking at the monthly analytics, in April when he joined, 4.21%, in May, 3.53%, and in June, 2.2%. So these are very good, consistent gains. Looking at the trading log, we can see patterns of consistent profits, but I always recommend traders always use a stop loss to preserve your losses and also to protect the downside of uncertainty, because it keeps you in control of the trade, and have a take profit level that helps as well. So other than that, the gains and losses cancel each other out, but very consistent in terms of gains. So well done on that. Let's look at the main pairs you've traded. You've traded quite a few pairs, and I'll always recommend to traders, always stick to the pairs that are giving you the most pips. And looking at this, we can see it's the pound yen, pound Australian dollar, and the euro New Zealand dollar, followed by the Australian dollar yen. So these are very good pairs you've traded. Why don't you just stick to these pairs? Less is more. You'll be more consistent, more focused, more determined, and you would definitely learn from your mistakes, and also reduce your substantial losses to increase your win rate. And again, you probably need less trades to hit your 10%. Taking these things on board, you would definitely be making a major improvement in your trading statistics, and increase your confidence as well. So this is a very good achievement. Congratulations, and I look forward to reviewing this account when you hit $60,000.